Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Escape windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the wipers are in the parked position. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth to protect the windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back down, as this could damage your windshield. Now, let's move on to removing the old blade. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll typically find a small tab or button that needs to be pressed. Once pressed, slide the old blade down and off the J-hook. Hold onto the wiper arm firmly so it doesn't accidentally spring back and hit your windshield. With the old blade removed, we're ready for the new one. Installing the new wiper blade is straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the J-hook until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly attached. Repeat this process for the other wiper arm, ensuring both blades are correctly installed. With both new blades installed, it's time for the final steps. Carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Be gentle to avoid any impact. Once both are down, turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they move smoothly and clear the glass effectively, providing a clear view for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.